What is today? Today Wednesday? What is today? Today is Wednesday. It's Wednesday! How is it Wednesday already? Good Wednesday! Well, you know I love cookware, vintage cookware. I also love kitchen knives. And today we're unboxing some vintage Illinois cutlery that I got at an incredibly good deal. By the way, I've wiped this box down with a bleach multi-purpose cleaner. When I get these out of the pack, we're gonna wipe them down again. I'm gonna wash my hands again because the virus is still out there. All right, let's see what we got here. The box is much bigger than I thought it would be. These are brand new in packages. Illinois Cutlery, I'm not familiar with, but they looked quality. Thank you for your purchase. You're welcome. They looked like good quality wood handle knives. They had some fun writing on the blades. I saw these knives. I was watching them for a long time. He wanted $49 and $5 shipping. Now $5 shipping is really good. And the box that you just saw, there's no way that box costs $5 to ship. It was shipped priorities. I didn't think I was gonna buy them, but he sent an offer of $25 for all 5 knives with that $5 shipping. So essentially I got 5 knives for about $6 each. Brand new in packages. Didn't find much about the company online. Ooh. Whoa. Look at this. The chef knife has left the building. The chef knife has left the building. Oh, it's really pretty though. We're gonna have to get some scissors. It says compliments from your son Michael. They looked good enough to take a chance on. They're not full tang, almost. I mean the tang goes almost to the end. And we're gonna have to do the paper cut test. I'm gonna wipe these down. I'll wash my hands and we'll be back and open them up. These do look new, but a couple of these, look at this. This just opens up. And the knife does look new, but let's start with the chef knife. To our customers, professional chefs and butchers nationwide know the name of Illinois Cutlery Works. In 1923, my father, Theodore Mistranzi, brought his cutlery expertise and sharpening talents to America from Italy. Now we are offering these fine products to the public household. Designed and hand finished in the USA. Let's get this knife out of its package. I liked the shape of the blade. I don't know what kind of wood this is. It doesn't look like walnut. It's been in the package for years. Pretty. Not a very thin. The blade's got nice thickness to it. We need to get a piece of paper. Let's use the eBay piece of paper. eBay paper. Let's see if it's sharp. All right, you ready? Paper cut. Oh, that's nice. A lot of times you get kitchen knives and they're dull. You have to sharpen them. Let's try that again. Very nice. Oh, happy with this one. What kind of wood is that? It's not cherry wood. Is that cherry wood? Okay, we've got a serrated. Let's see if I can open. Oh, there you go. That's a thinner blade. Still very nice. It's very sharp. It's not, you can buy these serrated knives and they're pretty dull. That is a sharp knife. I can just tell you that it's like, that is paper thin at the edge. All right, here is your meat slicer. $6 a knife is not bad. Shall we see how she does with the paper? All right. Oh, did you see that? Oh. Here is our, it's not a boning knife. It's too big, utility knife. Or it's just an 8-inch slicer because it's quite a long blade. These knives. I'll have to wipe these down with some Barkeeper's Friend. Shall we? Shall we do the paper cut test? Oh. Very nice. Very sharp. Cool. Thank you for joining me today on this knife unboxing venture.